Hello and welcome to the video on getting started with Tosca in the cloud. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand how to set up Tosca in the cloud, invite team members via portal management, and create and manage new workspaces.
Welcome to Tosca Cloud, your new cloud-based end-to-end test automation solution built from the ground up with speed in mind. With this solution, you can rapidly build your end-to-end test cases without having to install physical infrastructure. So let's get started by gaining access to Tosca Cloud. You may have received an email in your inbox or as a part of some event that gives you access to register Tosca in cloud. By clicking on this link, you will begin the process of registration. Provide your information and then you will be sent an access code. Your organization may already have a Tosca Cloud account. If so, go ahead and join that. If not, you can set up a brand new one. Once you're done there, go ahead and create your username and password. Then accept the general terms of use. Once that's accepted, Tosca Cloud will begin the process of setting up your organization. Once the organization setup is complete, you'll be automatically redirected to your Tosca Cloud account. And that's it. You're ready to go. Before we get started with test automation, let's talk about some of the important details of portal management, starting with inviting team members. Tosca Cloud users can invite teammates using the user menu on the top right corner of the screen, and then choosing Invite Teammate. You enter the email addresses of your colleague or paste contacts via the clipboard. Then select a role for all invited users and send invitations out. Invited users will receive an invitation email with a request to activate their account. In order to list all users, go into the settings and select Users, where you can see their respective status. Administrators are able to reset passwords for individual users, suspend or permanently delete users from your organization, as well as additional user management actions. In addition to user management, administrators can also manage workspaces. Workspaces are used in Tosca to organize your artifacts into individual projects, by teams, or by applications. Users can select the workspace using the Workspace drop-down menu in the application bar from the recently used workspaces, or select all workspaces to search in all available workspaces. Administrators can create new workspaces directly from the Workspace overview or manage workspaces in settings. If desired, administrators can add a set of samples into the newly created workspace and then click Create. To change existing workspaces, search by name and in the detail, update the workspace properties. You can delete workspace from the detail as well. Please note though that deleting a workspace also irreversibly deletes all artifacts.
As you come to the end of this video, you should now be able to understand how to set up Tosca in the cloud, invite team members via portal management, and create and manage new workspaces.